Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to trim videos in Premiere Pro. So if you want to basically trim your videos in Premiere Pro but you don't know how to do this, so in this video I will tell you in depth that how you can basically trim your videos in Premiere Pro. So before starting the video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here I am in my Premiere Pro here, and here I have imported some videos on the timeline here. So right now, if I basically wanted to trim this video from the start, let's suppose that if I don't need the 15 seconds from the start, so how you can do this? So basically you will just move the timeline, move this line here. Okay, so these are on the 15 seconds here, and then we have this razor tool in Premiere Pro. So you will just select them, or you can just press C on your keyboard, and then what you will basically do here, that you will make a cut here like this one, and now you can see that we have split this into two parts. Then you will tap on this selection tool here and just select your that clip that you want to remove. Don't select this one, just select this one, right click and just tap on ripple delete here. So right now we have just removed the first 15 seconds. Okay, and if you actually want to trim video in between, so let's suppose if you wanted to cut this part here, so you will, so this is the starting point, use the razor tool here and move it here, and you want cut there, and make sure that this part is selected, right click and ripple delete. So that's how to basically trim videos in Premiere
Buy and
Pro.
tree.
So
Okay, we were helping them with tax strategies, but for the real estate situation,
like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.